Welcome back everybody, Ratsudo here, the original hipster, coming to you with another unboxing. This time it is a souvenir that I got from a recent trip from the kids to Europe. They went to Paris, London, Amsterdam, and Scotland, and the only request, the only demand I had was for a kilt. So they followed through. They did get me this wonderful, constructed, and beautiful kilt. Look at that, it still has the tag on it as a Scottish Highland authentic woven tartan. If you guys did not know, that's what they actually are called. This is a Royal Stuart, or also known as a Royal Stuart tartan, best known, respectively associated for the House of Stuart, and also personal tartan to the British monarch, King Charles III. A lot of people have a misconception that you are not allowed to wear kilts or tartans because of like certain colors and families and creed and stuff, but I did a little bit of research and that's not actually true. You're not going to get in trouble or offended by wearing a kilt. Wearing nothing underneath or wearing something underneath that may be offensive worthy. I don't care if I offend anybody or not. This thing is absolutely beautiful. It is extremely heavy and made very, very well. It's got the plaid in the back. I'm beyond ecstatic. This is so freaking cool. I am just super stoked because it reminds me of Roddy Piper, who is one of my favorite wrestlers and one of the best heels in the wrestling world. And if you're wondering, yes, I did order my Hot Rod t-shirt to wear specifically with this because that has to be a thing. It has to be an outfit. So let me go ahead and get started and put this on and see what that looks like. So the strap goes in here first. There's a loop here, just like a regular belt buckle. Very easy to put on as long as you know what side goes where. This is an extra fat. I don't know if you guys saw the tag, but it was like a 42, 44. It fits great. Once I get my Hot Rod t-shirt from Amazon, I will do a video with that and I'll put it all together, and most likely it will be my costume for Halloween. So there you have it, folks. Ratsudo, the original hipster, coming to you with another unboxing / review of an authentic Scottish tartan kilt. Thanks for watching.